In today's video, we are going to cover how to enable test mode tax collection in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Before you open any payment link, make sure test mode is turned on. This matters because you want to verify tax behavior in a test environment, not on a live link. If you have multiple views or accounts available, confirm that you are in the correct one before continuing. Next, go to Payment Links. From here, either create a new payment link or open an existing one that you want to update. The process is the same either way, as long as you are inside the payment link editor. Once the editor is open, scroll down until you reach the Options section. This area contains the settings that affect how the checkout page behaves for that payment link. You may need to move a bit farther down the page than expected, so keep scrolling until Options is visible. Inside Options, look for the setting labeled Collect Tax Automatically. Check that box to enable automatic tax collection for the link. This tells Stripe Checkout to calculate tax based on the customer details entered during checkout, instead of leaving tax out of the process. After that, verify the product tax configuration. Check that the product attached to the payment link has the correct product tax code assigned. Stripe uses that tax code to determine how the item should be treated for tax calculation. Also review the tax included in price setting. Make sure it reflects how you want your pricing handled, since that setting affects whether tax is added on top of the listed price or treated as part of it. When those settings look correct, save the change by clicking Update Link. This applies the tax collection setting to the payment link you are working on. If the page takes a moment to refresh, wait for it to finish so you know the update has been saved. Now open the payment link while still in test mode. This launches the Stripe checkout page for that link, where you can confirm that the tax setup is working as expected in the checkout flow. At checkout, enter a test customer address. Use the address field the same way a customer would, since Stripe needs location details to calculate tax. After the address is entered, look at the order summary and confirm that tax is calculated and displayed automatically before the payment is completed. This is the key check because it shows that the payment link is using automatic tax collection correctly in test mode. If tax appears in the checkout summary after the address is entered, the setup is working as intended. Your Stripe payment link now has automatic tax collection enabled in test mode and verified on the checkout page.